Most people think Amazon Pay is just another wallet sitting inside the Amazon app, but that's where they get it wrong. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is not setting it up properly, because that's exactly when payments fail or cashback never gets tracked. Here's the truth, no one tells you. Once you understand Amazon Pay correctly, you can use it for shopping, bills, recharges, and even partner payments in seconds without typing card details every time. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to set up Amazon Pay in 2026, how to use it step by step, and how to avoid the common errors that cause payment failures and missing rewards. Let's start with the basics first. Amazon Pay is a digital payment system inside the Amazon app that links to your bank account, debit card, or credit card. It lets you pay instantly across Amazon and selected partner services. Think of it like having a built-in wallet inside the app you already use. Now here's where most people go wrong. They open the app, try to pay, and assume it will just work. But here's the problem. If your account is not verified or your payment method is not linked properly, transactions can fail silently. So step 1 is setup. Open the Amazon app and go to Amazon Pay. Add your preferred payment method like a debit card or bank account. Make sure your mobile number is linked to your bank because that's used for verification. Now here's where it gets interesting. Once your payment method is added, you can start using Amazon Pay for more than just shopping. You can pay electricity bills, mobile recharges, broadband, and even select offline QR payments in supported stores. Let's say Jake wants to pay his phone bill. He opens Amazon Pay, selects recharge or bill pay, enters details, and confirms payment. The amount is deducted instantly, and he gets a confirmation right away. But here's a retention tip most users miss. Always check for offers or cashback banners before you pay. Amazon often runs limited time rewards that apply automatically, but only if you go through the right payment flow. Now, another key point. If a payment fails, don't panic. First check your internet connection, then verify your linked bank or card, and finally retry after a few minutes. Most issues are temporary sync problems, not actual account errors. So to quickly summarize, set up Amazon Pay correctly, link a verified payment method, use it inside supported services, and always check for offers before paying. That's how you get smooth, fast, and reliable transactions in 2026. If this helped you understand Amazon Pay clearly, hit like, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this.